Hi everyone. Today we want to give you a quick overview of the Street View inside the former business view on mobile. So we all know the advantages. We've all seen the Street View on desktop. We've seen how easy it is to use, but we actually think that there's so many benefits using it on the mobile devices, and we actually think it's a bit easier to navigate on the mobile device as suppose on the desktop. So how do we access? Where do we find the Street View inside for a particular business using the mobile? Well, first of all, we have to look it up here. So I already have saved it here. Cafe Insane. It's one of the cafes in the central Dublin that got their Street View inside done. And as you can see, this is their profile in the search. And in order to access the Street View inside, you have to click on this arrow where it says more about Cafe Insane, and then scrolling down you can see the seat inside. Now once you get into the seat inside, you will see 360 panorama here and some other photos taken by the customers or taken by the photographers that were also doing the Street View inside. So when we click into the 360 panorama, we can see those arrows, we can look around, we can zoom out or we can zoom in if you like. So we start by clicking on the up arrow here. We can go left, for example, if we want to. You can see all the fine details here. So as I said, you can zoom in all the way in to see detail in the picture. Now obviously Google will reduce the quality of the picture for the purposes of simple networking, but you can almost see what's on that page that this lady is holding here. As you can see, her face is blurred, but I just wanted to make a remark that it's not a requirement anymore to blur faces. So if you want to show your staff, or if your customers are happy to appear in the Google Street View inside, you're absolutely okay to do it. Now we recommend getting Street View, especially if you run a restaurant or if you run say a membership kind of type of business like a gym or a yoga studio. And the reason is that, especially for the restaurants, there's a lot of customers that put a lot of attention into the detail, like the decor of the restaurant, or maybe they want to see exactly where they can see themselves getting their dinner. So maybe you'll go into this room and maybe you want to book this particular seat here if you want, so you can ring up the restaurant and say, well listen, I like this seat on the left hand side as you walk in, so let's book those. And we think this is absolutely fantastic. Now we also doing Street View inside photo shoots for other businesses. So for example, if you run your office, or if you run your, let's say, a dance studio, or if it's a music school, if it's a preschool, you can absolutely get it, and it's going to boost your basically drive your business and drive the customers to your business. So we'd recommend to go to www.webhab.ie and check out some of our latest projects here.